Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I have a collaboration to share with you. I have collaborated with BeeBeeCraft, so I was able to pick out a handful of items. So I'm going to show you what I selected. So the first thing is this little container that's so cute, and I'll be able to reuse afterwards. And in it comes with all of these beads. So the first one that I pulled out of here is these heart-shaped letter beads and all the different pretty colors, so cute. And then we have lots of different colors of seed beads. I would say these are probably about a 4mm seed bead. But first we have a white. These are all like a pearlescent bead. So pretty, all the seed beads anyways. And this is like a peachy, creamy color. We have this pretty like pinky purple. We also have this nice shade of pink. Pretty purple. I'll just share that compared to that. All right. We also have this really pretty blue. Then this like minty pale green. And then here is another shade of blue, setting them all next to each other so you can kind of see the color differences. These are all so pretty. Then we have some letter beads with just the black and white, and they are heart-shaped. We also have the heart-shaped letter beads in the colors. And then the last little pack is the circular colorful letter beads. So lots of beads that they packed into this cute container. Can't wait to play with those. And just set these aside and move on to the next item. So this is the next thing I picked. These are really cool. You get 100 in the pack. And they're this nice shade of gold, the kind of gold that I prefer. And they're like a spacer bead, but they have little loops on all like the 4 sides. So I have some ideas that I'm gonna do for this, and I will have a tutorial coming up once I've created it and like what I've created. But yeah, I think, you know, you could put a dangle on all 4 corners, and I think that would be really, really cool. And you get 100 pieces, so you could do so many projects with a pack like that. The next thing that I picked out, I'm gonna maybe blind you a little bit, but this is faux leather, and they are all like solid, but they're holographic with different shades behind them. So this one, you might not be able to tell the coloration too well. But this one's kind of, it's a nice purple shade. And then this one, I'm trying to see. I think it's kind of like a light, maybe champagne gold. And then, of course, the insanely beautiful holographic. This is more like an orangey, maybe a darker gold, or the yellowy gold. I would say it's more of an orange. And then look at this color. I am obsessed. This would be so fun with summer projects. Look at how beautiful that is. It's this nice, deep, like blue, but it has like the green holographic. I don't know how to explain it, but it is so pretty. I don't know if the camera is doing it any justice. Next, we have this silver one, the holographic. So this, I think, would be really awesome for Halloween. And this one, it kind of looks like it's maybe a brown. It could be black. My video lights are kind of, I think, altering the color. It definitely is like a brown, but I think this would also work for Halloween too with how dark it is. And then we have the nice lighter shade of pink. So really, really pretty. This nice hot pink, super cute for year-round, but definitely really cute for maybe Valentine's Day. And then look at this like acid green. I am obsessed. And this would also be really cool for Halloween, especially with like maybe like a cauldron with this like somehow coming out. I'm not sure yet, but I love it. I think it's so cool. Or that drippy bow. You could do the like a black in the background and then this green drip as like an acid drip or something. I think so cool. So many ideas for that. And they are nice and thick. They're not too thick, so you could definitely still run it through your die cut machine, your Sizzix or whatever you use. Or if you like your Silhouette or Cricut will cut this out too. Super nice. And then the last two items, so this is one of them. I picked out some dies, or a couple dies. So this is one of the dies that I picked. It's a Ferris wheel. It's a pretty good size. I can reach for my ruler here. So the wheel part is 3.5 inches about wide. So yeah, this comes with little animals that sit in the little cars on the Ferris wheel. So we have this cute little bear, little monkey, a bunny, and this koala, and it's just, and then it comes with their little shirt and little hands that, you know, they can hold onto the edge of the cart. Really cute. They do have like an example picture on their website of what this will look like put together. And then this last die set here is a milk carton box, and I'm so excited to put this together. So it comes with, the one thing that I liked the most about this is it comes with all these extra pieces. So you got the strawberry, this like embossed heart, this little candy wrapper. I think that's like a cup. No, it's a piece of toast. I'm looking at it upside down. Look at that. That's so cute. We got the little gingerbread man, a cup of milk, the cookie. We've got the milk jug and this layering piece in the front to kind of look like milk splashing. And then these little details down here. And then the other piece that it comes with is, look at this milk jug. How cute is that? And then you got the word milk. This looks like maybe like a drizzled cup, drizzled cookie or something. We got a plate. I'm not exactly sure how all of this goes together, like what this is for, but they do have a picture, like an example of what this looks like as well. And everything is just so cute. So the last thing I have to share with you is I do have a coupon code for 10% off of your orders. So BeeNorthway 10. I'll also have it listed in the description box below. And I also want to tell you that if you are interested in collaborating with BeeBeeCraft, this is something that I learned after they emailed me. BeeBeeCraft actually has a program that you can collaborate with them. There's going to be a link down below. All you need, the only requirement is to have at least 100 subscribers on your YouTube channel. You click that link to contact them if you're interested in doing a collaboration. And so far it's fun, and these came pretty fast. I would say less than 2 weeks it took to get here, so not too bad. And yeah, so that is everything I have to share with you. Make sure to use my code if you decide to purchase any of this. I think that the items that I picked are really fun. I'm super excited. So yeah, until next time, have a wonderful day and happy crafting!